Bonus reading for April the 6th to April the 7th. Fire signs. Your cards are the Seven of Swords, the Justice, and the King of Cups. Nakita natin na our person betrayed our trust. Yes, nandun na tayo. Nasaktan tayo. Para talagang nawala yung gana natin, no? Yung enthusiasm natin to communicate or connect with our person again. Meron ditong approach si person na sasabihin niyang maniwala ka na, no? This time, this is real. Kung meron mang mga nagawa si person na talagang nasaktan ka, especially kung meron ditong third party, dinispatcha niya na, no? At talagang more of serious na siya ngayon. With the Justice card kasi, nandito yung parang konsensya ba, no? Na hindi ko dapat ginaganito si person. Yung emotion na nunumbalik din naman, no? So this is your bonus reading, fire signs, for April the 6th to April the 7th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.